What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. This is Sky. If you're new around here, we unbox and review random stuff you didn't know you needed. Today I'm very psyched for this because if you've been following the channel for a while, you know that I've been dying to get a custom keyboard or a different keyboard than the K95 Platinum that I own, which is full of artisans, by the way. So I actually finally got my hands on that, and what I have here is a TX-HJ75 from TX Keyboards, and this one actually belonged to my buddy Nguyen, or Andy Nguyen. I'm not sure how you say the name exactly, and he has a YouTube channel where he builds custom keyboards and does many other tech reviews. Make sure to check out his channel. I will leave the link down below, and without further ado, let's get into this thing. All right, and let's see what we have inside the box here, guys. I cannot express to you how excited I am about this, and I am particularly excited about this. It's because it is my first ever custom keyboard. When you do get your first ever custom keyboard, it is supposed to be a difference from everything else that you've tried, which is mass produced. Holy cow, if this isn't beautiful. Oh my god! Wow. This keyboard just looks amazing right now. I mean, I've never had a keyboard so small. I've always used full-size keyboards, and this is going to be definitely a little bit of a learning curve for me without the numpad. So let's take a look at the keyboard itself. So it does have the RAMA PBT heavy industry keycap set, which is one that I purchased a while ago, and the keyboard itself, the top frame here is aluminum, so I can actually feel it. It's very cold. And the bottom of this keyboard is acrylic. So acrylic is supposed to have a nice sound to it, and based on what I've heard, it sounds very nice. So let me showcase here the acrylic a little bit. So as you can see, it's also see-through, obviously, since it's acrylic, but it does feel like a very thick acrylic board. So as you can see, the acrylic part is actually thicker than the aluminum part. As for the switches for this keyboard, I decided to go with the Alpacas, which also Andy recommended that to me as well. So this will also be my first linear switch ever, and we actually lubed these Alpacas as well, so they should sound very nice indeed. And no, I will not add 10,000 artisans to this keyboard. I want to kind of keep it this way and maybe just add a few. So let's do a little bit of a sound test on this without it being connected, and then we'll go ahead and connect it to the computer. If you want to check out the full build for this keyboard and also the sound test from Andy Nguyen, make sure to check out his channel for the entire build of this keyboard from scratch, along with some very nice sound tests. Very nice. Alright, so as you can see, I've installed the keyboard here, and I put away my K95 Platinum to the side, and let's do a little quick sound test on this. If you want the 150 words per minute and a nice sound test, make sure to check out Andy's channel. But we're gonna go ahead and give this a try and see how well we do. Most likely I'll get 50 words per minute. So let's start. All right, well, that was 74 words per minute. That wasn't too bad. All right, everyone. So I really hope you all enjoyed this video. So as you can see, this keyboard takes a lot less space than a full keyboard. And this is one of the main features of having a custom, compact, smaller keyboard. And along with the sound, if you were able to hear how it sounds like, I'm not sure that the mic can do it justice the way I'd like to, but it sounds amazing and it looks fantastic as well. I've never had a custom built keyboard before, so this is quite impressive. And if you are looking to get into this hobby, let me warn you, it's not cheap. It's quite expensive. A lot of these keyboards are on group buys, and if you don't get them once the group buy is over, you will not be able to get them again directly from the manufacturer. You will most likely have to wait for extras to come around, or you will have to go on the subreddit Mech Market in order to find someone who might be selling one. And now, with all of that being said, I have nothing else to say, but I'm quite impressed. And thank you to my buddy Andy. Make sure to check out his channel. He was nice enough to sell me this board. It was actually his, and completely rebuild it from scratch to my liking, and with the switches that I wanted to add, and keycaps as well. So thank you very much for that. If you're new to the channel and you enjoyed this video, feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, you know it means the world to me. And remember, everyone, be kind to one another.